Brendan crashed. Had to put his stuff all back together. It got to me. I've been waiting here about 45 minutes. Where are the other guys? Sending Garmin messages. Bloody only way to freaking communicate out here is a little Garmin inReach. Good freaking thing to have out here. Alright, that was only about an hour. That sounds like Craig. No, it's Mark.
Oh,
that's unexpected. Oh no, it's not the 690 that's died. Totally thought it was Mark's bike.
Craig's maybe nut on his sprocket.
Oh no, not the 690. I was jinxing him. I totally thought it was Mark.
Marky boy! Hello.
What's up?
What's going on? Where is everyone? I got bogged and I couldn't get out of the bog until someone came and helped.
We thought shit was mega broken, man.
Tom and I were going to be leaving by ourselves.
Yeah, like, see you guys.
Stop every so often just to bloody rest for a minute.
Yeah, Tom and I have talked. It's a marathon,
Yeah.
not a sprint. We're gonna go
Marathon, not a sprint.
We've been
Let's
Toby
just
pricing
relax.
it up.
Relax. We're not Toby Price. This isn't the Fink. Oatmeal, raisin, walnut, Cliff Bar. That's what's on the menu. Mark's bike's fine. He's going to take off and get some K's down. That was an hour of me waiting for these guys. A whole hour. I'm so happy,
I busted
man.
my knee a bit now. I can
Yeah.
feel that.
I've done my knee as well, but she'll be right.
Tarzan to kick in.
Tarzan. It's good stuff. Not as good as Oxycontin, but goes all right. Tramadol's good. I'm not a junkie. KTM boys. Nerb and Craig. Well, good news. No one's bike's dead. Just a bit of a rest. 1 hour rest for me.
Did you come back at all?
No, Mark just caught up to us. He's taken off to get some K's down.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Well, that wasn't 6 Ks.
No, that was only 2.
It was 1.5. I messaged you on your Garmin. I saw you, because when I get a message, I get your location. I've got your Garmin address now. I tried to message you, but I didn't have your Garmin address.
Right.
Woo. How's it going, lads? Mark, you need a WR250. Tiger was a mistake last time. And the Terra 650 might be a mistake as well. What is some lightweight gear? Makes a big difference, man. Weight makes a huge difference. It's just the difference between are you going to get bogged or can you freaking paddle your way out. Mark's just had a bit of an off. Might. Stay. All right. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's about 16 times heavier than a WR, but yeah, not as heavy as a Tiger. Bring a Husky 650 to the Simpson, they said. This is why weight is key. A whole lot of people up here. People standing on cars and shit. The freaking party squad.
Yeah, we had a couple of cars struggling to get up there at the moment. We're alright, if you want to go around, we'll tell them to wait down the bottom on the other side.
Here comes the big one. Yep. Oh, gotta get this on video.
Maybe a push.
Yeah, I might. We'll see.
And then you'll just swing it. Brush your teeth in the DJ.
Oh no.
Bit of weight there, eh?
How's it going, Osama?
Yeah, good mate.
Good, mate.
See? I told you your name was Osama.
TD42. Don't let off. Go, go, go. Come on, Ranger. Go. Power.
That's a pretty steep tune, isn't it?
Yeah. And the turn as well. Oh, he's getting air off.
Was he?
His front wheels are getting up.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah. Let's film one sand dune. Let's hammer up it. Go. Now you gotta let off because you could freaking launch. And I've crashed like 3 times launching off them because they generally turn as soon as you get over them. So you can't launch over them, man. Made that mistake. Like, look at this one. Bam, turn. You just freaking go off. Got about 3 more hours of riding. Because the time is, you want to stop at about 5 p.m. So the time's 2:30. Shit, so that's only 2.5 hours of riding left. 2.5 hours. See how many Ks we can knock out then? Doesn't really matter, man. I've got a lot of time. We've expected to be 3 days in the Simo. My body, like, I made a joke saying I'm a camel, but my body literally takes like a desert mode when I'm doing this shit, man. I haven't sipped water. Like, I've had just like maybe 150 ml of water all day, and it's 2:30 now. We've been riding since 7, and I feel fantastic. I'm desert mode, man. Everyone else is like, you need 15 litres of water. I'm going to cross, and I'm going to use like a litre. Bugger it. Freaking hell. Whew. Jesus Christ. Whew. That's heavy as frick. Just picking up a bike, that's 10 times as much effort. Please don't crash into me. God, I don't know. Nerve does it, man, on that big thing. Cheating! Cheating! Cheating!
Go back and do it again.
Go back and do it again! They're the guys at Hot Spring.
Oh yeah, they are.
Hot Spring boys.
Mate, if I had a car, someone with a medical kit, had a cold beer, mate, I'd be flying
we'd
through.
be
Totally
fine,
pricing it, mate.
500 EXCs. Done. Alright, off you go, Brendan. Power! Yeah, I've got, last time I gave the Simpson with my wife, I've got where we first camped, where those Spinifex hopping mice were. So, I'm gonna, tracking it to see where it is. Look at that Craig strength, just straight up, man. No way I could pick it up like that. Hope there's nothing over the top. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Pull a bit. Oi. Freaking hell.
I fell over at the top of one of those.
Oh, I got your leg caught.
My leg got, yeah,
Jesus Christ.
So I was like, I'm just waiting there. I'm like, I know he's just there. I'll wait.
That was like me on the 690 when I was trapped underneath. I had to wait for you.
Yeah.
Had a little chat to my camera about how much I hate sand. Dingo, 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 dingo. Whoa. Dingo. Hey, buddy. Do you want a snack? Come on, bin it for camera. The hard thing is you've actually got to gas it down the hill.
Oh yeah.
If you're not on the power, you just lose the front. So,
You need to have a sit back as well.
yeah, you just got to gas it down like that. We're gonna go another 14 kilometers and then camp. I'm gonna find a beautiful campsite for the lads. I don't want a big open bit. I want some trees. I want big sand dune so we can go sit on it, look at the stars. This is my criteria. My campsite Simpson criteria. I will say probably the best thing that's helped me for sand riding is getting the bike set up for standing. There's a few things that really help. One, get bar risers. Raise those bars as high as you can. You have to lean over. Have a really light backpack. Don't have water in your backpack. I mean, unless you're just gonna have water, but I can't handle having like 4 kilos in my backpack, so I just have a little bottle of water in my tank bag. We stop so often, I can just drink out of that. I don't drink that much anyway, so my backpack has just got like the lightest of camping gear in it. We're also big, really wide pegs. The pegs are tiny on the stock WR. Beautiful sand dune that we're gonna camp on the other side of because it's gonna be perfect. Yep, that's the one. We're gonna camp down here somewhere. Or are we? Freaking hell. Nothing really close to the actual dune. This is the problem, there's nowhere flat to camp. Freaking hell. Nowhere at all flat to camp. What about just over this, man? Nope, nowhere to camp. What about over this little one? Freak it, next freaking 5 p.m. on the dot, 296 kilometers done from Mount Dare. This will be our campsite. Got a little dune, nice little bit here, some trees, that'll do. Well done.
Craig's the best. You can't do
Craig does it. Craig, yeah.
Everyone else is done.
That's where we're camping. Just on the backside of a sand dune. Yeah. Just watched the sunset. Took some snaps of our bikes. Beautiful sunsets out here. 300 k's down. Not a lot of fuel, man. I have not used much fuel. This is phenomenal. Look on the other side. Went over that way. Look at that. I'm freaking 2/3 of the way through the Simpson, man. Still got all of this to put in. Going in the tank. So happy to say goodbye to this jerry can. I hated carrying you. Alright, Wolfman panniers. Front pannier. Let's perfect with 6 litres of water in it. Handled it fine. Jumps, massive jumps, all day of freaking sand dunes. Didn't break. What's it in it, Brendan?
Things that require water, of which I have none. So my plan is I'm just going to use my water as I need, because I'm hungry and thirsty.
Yep.
And I might ask some forward riders tomorrow for some water,
Rip.
because I lost 5.
Craig, what's the dinner?
Mate, I'm running the chicken fried rice again with the tin of chicken.
Nice.
And that's it.
Nerb son?
I don't know, whatever Mark's
Whatever Mark's got. Kitchen of Mark. Mark's got half of Woolworths in the
I
pannier.
would have had 2-minute noodles, but
Yep. I'm going to have the thing I always have. Continental creamy bacon carbonara. Carbonabra. I can't talk.
we're filming each other.
Filming each other, Neb.
That's what YouTubers do.
That's what YouTubers
You go out
do.
to the middle of nowhere, sit
And
around a
then
campfire.
and film each other. Instagram, hashtag Simpson. Middle of nowhere. Nothing but the moon up there. Little desert fire. Dried ice cream. What's it like? Is it cold?
It tastes like ice cream.
Is it cold though?
So what is it?
Okay.
It's freeze dried.
So it's freeze-dried ice. You're eating ice cream in the desert.
It tastes like
That's
ice
what you're
cream.
doing.
I'm gonna film this shit.
What is it?
It's even got a
Freeze-dried
space
ice
shuttle on it.
Does it?
Kennedy
Insane.
Space
Do you have a
Station.
taste?
Whoa. I use my MUC.
Start the plug again.
Yeah, start again.
Are you wasting water? I could drink that.
I'm using a drop, man. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Don't drop it. Now it's a towel. There's a little rag going, Brennan.
Fucking shit.
Just use a litre of water to clean it.
Yeah, I don't have any water to spare to clean shit, so it's just dry ragging and it's all
water.
sticky and yeah.
Goon bag.
Water's really important, guys.
It's an important thing in the
Very
desert.
important. Try not to lose 5 litres of it. It's 5 litres of gold out here.
Gold, liquid gold, mate.
Liquid gold.
Texas tea.
All the way from
All the way from Melbourne, and it blows up in the desert.
Yeah, that water travelled thousands of kilometres.
to be here.
30 k's into the desert, exploded it.
Gone.
Full explosion. Did you see the hole? Did you see the hole in it?
Maybe it
exploded.
might have been the high side in the bull dust pit. Maybe.
Might have been the 80 kilometre an hour
You should
crash.
Tristan, this is for you.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Holy shit.
It's like